All right, Spike. We are in the studio. So, we are going to be checking out the Arrma Kraton 4x4 4S BLX. It's a 1/10 scale ready to run. I don't remember what happened with it. It was Horizon Hobby is what it says, but I don't know if... I know they sold it at some point. All right, I picked this up today. And I haven't seen one in real life. I've seen them online. And so this is going to be my initial impression. I picked this up at Pacific Coast Hobbies on Pacific Coast Highway in Lomita, California. Okay, there it is. It has that good smell. It smells fresh. Looking good. Looks like we already have a shock leaking because it looks like I have... it could be shock oil. That would be on the rear right side. That would be a passenger side. It's okay. Got a little plastic covering. Get that out of the way. I'm going to lift this out of the box. Move the box out of the way, and look, if you notice that, there is actually a little bit underneath the box. So it looks like some sort of fluid was leaked. Either it was a little bit on the shock, is what I'm guessing, unless there's some lubrication in that axle back there. But that's the would be the passenger side if it was a full vehicle. Rear. Comes with the Arrma. Looks like a manual and a couple of tools. Maybe we'll check that out later, and some stickers. But I really want to see what the car is about. So this is cool because it's a lot bigger than I generally would think of 10 scales. What do you think, Jamie?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Not really. I mean,
yeah, it is bigger.
So this is cool. It's not. I had a SC8, which I believe was heavier. I think that was probably because the SC8 had more metal on the chassis, and that was an A scale. But this is bigger. This is big. For a 10th scale, it's really quite big. Body clips. Pull them off. They do have body clip retainers. And this helps to keep you from scuffing your body up too badly when you flip it. It's nice having those retainers. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Usually I'd end up putting these on the trucks because you just might lose them. Alright, it feels pretty well. And it has some tape on the insides of it also, so that's good. I know where it's going to get beat up. I'd probably put some in the front. But not bad. Oh, it looks pretty good. Now the truck. So this would be the shock. This is where we had the leak. It looks like, I can't really tell. It does feel a little bit wet on the bottom. Yeah, it feels wet down here. What do you think?
It's definitely wet.
Not sure if it's leaking. So, one of the things that I had heard online was these tend to leak. So it might be leaking right out of the factory, or it might have just been some overspray or something like that. It could also, when I was talking to Josh Phelan over at Pacific Coast Hobbies today, asking him some of his opinions on this. He's been working in the hobby for a long time. I've known him for years, and he's really smart when it comes to these things. And he said a lot of the people have been going with a thicker oil right out of the factory, right out of the box, because the suspension, he says, is kind of soft. Other than being soft, But yeah, I can definitely see some fluid leakage there. It's not a big deal. I'll check it out and see what's going on there. But size-wise, it's pretty big. It really is pretty big. Approximately 20.5 inches with the body off from bumper to the wing, almost 21 inches. What are these, almost 6-inch wheels? They're 6-inch wheels. Yeah, it's pretty big. So this will be fun on I have a 4S battery, and that should be quite a bit of fun because it's pretty big. It's really more like an 1/8 scale. And with the 4S, it's gonna have plenty of power. So, all right, it's pretty cool. I think it'll be fun.